Hi kids, welcome back to Color by Mood. Today we are going to learn ABC. Yes, we will write A till Z. So before starting we are going to learn some colors. This is blue color. This is purple color. This is pink color. This is orange color. This is yellow color. This is dark green color. This is sky blue color. And this is parrot color. Yes. So we are going to start with dark green color. So start from letter A. A for apple. Very nice. See the next letter. Yes, letter B. Letter B we are writing with orange color. B. B is for butterfly. Yes, B is for butterfly. See the next letter. Yes, letter C. Letter C we are writing with pink color. C for cat. Yes, C for cat. A, B, C. See the next letter. Yes, letter D. Letter D we are writing with blue color. D for doll. D for doll. A, B, C, D. Very nice. See the next letter. Yes, letter E. Letter E we are writing with yellow color. E. E for elephant. E for elephant. A, B, C, D, E. See the next letter. Yes, letter F. Letter F we are writing with purple color. F. F for fish. F for fish. A, B, C, D, E, F. After F which letter? Yes, letter G. Letter G we are writing with orange color. G. G for goat. G for goat. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. After G which letter? Yes, letter H. Letter H we are writing with sky blue color. H. H for hen. H for hen. See the next letter. Yes, letter I. Letter I we are writing with parrot color. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. See the next letter. Yes, letter J. Letter J we are writing with dark green color. J. J for jelly. J for jelly. Very nice. See the next letter. Letter K. Letter K we are writing with pink color. K. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. H, I, J, K. After K which letter? Letter L. Very nice. Letter L we are writing with blue color. L. L for H, I, J, K, L. After L which letter? Letter M. Very nice. Letter M we are writing with yellow color. M. M for monkey. M for monkey. H-I-J-K-L-M. After M which letter? Letter N. Very nice. Letter N we are writing with purple color. N for nose. N for H-I-J-K-L-M-N. After N, O. Letter O. Letter O we are writing with orange color. O. O for orange. O for orange. After O which letter? Letter P. Letter P we are writing with pink color. P. P for parrot. P for parrot. After P which letter? Yes, letter Q. Letter Q we are writing with blue color. Q. Letter Q. Q for cook. Q for cook. Very nice. After Q which letter? Letter R. Letter R we are writing with yellow color. R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. Very nice. O, P, Q, R. After R which letter? Yes, letter S. Letter S we are writing with sky blue color. S. S for snowman. S for snowman. Very nice. O, P, Q, R, S. After S which letter? T. Very nice. Letter T. Letter T we are writing with parrot color. T for train. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. Letter U. Letter U we are writing with dark green color. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. After U which letter? V. Letter V. Letter V we are writing with orange color. V for V for O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. After V which letter? Yes, letter W. Letter W we are writing with pink color. W for watch. W for watch. V, W. After W which letter? X. Very nice. Letter X we are writing with blue color. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Very nice. V, W, X. After X which letter? Yes, letter Y. Letter Y we are writing with sky blue color. Y for yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. Very nice. V, W, X, Y and Z. Very nice. Letter Z we are writing with Orange color. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Very nice. So we have done all the ABC. Let's repeat it again. A, B, read with me. C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Very nice. Let's sing ABC song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Very nice. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Follow for the more. Bye-bye.